Thermostat wiring that makes intermittent contact is a leading cause of sporadic heating and cooling failures. Start by turning power off at the breaker and remove the thermostat cover to expose the terminal block. Inspect each wire for looseness, fraying, corrosion, or broken strands where the conductor meets the screw. Tighten screws snugly but do not over-tighten, which can cut copper. Look for bent wires that touch adjacent terminals and separate them using insulation or reroute so no conductors can bridge. If the system uses a common wire test for power, confirm the common is solid and not intermittently separating at the control board or transformer. For intermittent shorts or opens, gently tug each conductor while watching the control board status lights or the thermostat display to reproduce the fault. If pulling changes behavior, replace that conductor. When a spare length of thermostat wire is available, swap it in temporarily from thermostat to control board to confirm whether the run is the issue, and if the replacement fixes the fault, rewire permanently with new stranded thermostat cable rated for low voltage control use. Finally, check terminal block screws and the control board receptor for corrosion or damaged threads. Clean corrosion with a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol and replace the terminal block if any metal is pitted or the clamp no longer holds firmly. Common mistakes include leaving power on during inspection, which risks shorting the system and damaging electronic controls, so always power down before touching wires. If a control or thermostat already shows signs of damage or burning, stop and replace the damaged component rather than trying to repair it. Another frequent issue is assuming the thermostat is bad when the wiring or control board connector is the root cause. Avoid swapping thermostats first, and instead confirm continuity with a simple wire swap or use the thermostat as a jumper to exercise the system manually. A third problem is using solid core or undersized wire on long runs, which can fracture and fail with movement. Remedy this by using stranded, properly gauged thermostat cable and secure it to prevent movement at connection points. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work related to projects like HVAC troubleshooting. We also host a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips, troubleshooting steps, and real-world lessons that make intermittent electrical diagnosis faster and less costly.